Are you playing chess or tic-tac-toe with your life? Every day you make countless decisions, but are you truly in control of them? Do you solve problems as they arise, or do you plan ahead to avoid them altogether? If your answer leans toward the first option, chances are you're using tactical thinking rather than strategic thinking. To put it simply, think about the difference between playing tic-tac-toe and chess. A tic-tac-toe player focuses only on the immediate move, aiming for a quick win. This is tactical thinking. A chess player, on the other hand, anticipates multiple moves ahead, prepares for different scenarios, and maintains control over the game. This is strategic thinking, long-term, sustainable, and proactive. The core differences between tactical and strategic thinking. One-time perspective. Tactical thinking, like cramming for a test tomorrow. Strategic thinking. Understanding the material deeply so you can use the knowledge for life. 2. Problem-solving approach. Tactical thinkers ask, how can I fix this problem as quickly as possible? Strategic thinkers ask, why did this problem occur? How can I prevent it from happening again? 3. Results. Tactical thinking helps you react quickly but keeps you stuck in a cycle of repeatedly solving the same issues. Strategic thinking helps you build more efficient systems where decisions not only solve problems but also shape the future. Do you want to keep firefighting daily, or do you want to take control of the game? If you're ready to shift from tactical to strategic thinking, let's explore how to develop it right now. Part 1. Self-analysis and building a strategic vision. Imagine assembling a massive Lego set without instructions, just randomly putting pieces together and hoping it turns into something meaningful. Why would you do that instead of starting with a plan? This is similar to how many people live without a strategic vision. They stay busy piecing together different aspects of life but have no clear idea of the bigger picture. Why do you need to analyze yourself before making a plan? Before making changes, you need to understand where you currently stand. Most people don't take a clear look at themselves. They have a vague sense of what they like or dislike, but don't truly understand why they excel in some areas and struggle in others. For example, a colleague of mine excelled at working independently but struggled in group meetings. Through self-reflection, he realized that he was strong in solo tasks, but weak in collaboration. Without this understanding, he would have continued to struggle in his career growth. How to conduct effective self-analysis. 1. Look at your past to identify patterns of success. List your biggest achievements. Don't just record them. Find common themes among them. Did you succeed because of persistence, creative thinking, or strong teamwork? 2. View failures as data, not as shameful experiences. What common patterns exist in your failures? Did you fail due to poor preparation, misjudging opportunities, lack of patience? If a mistake keeps repeating, it signals a gap in your thinking. 3. Seek feedback from others. Sometimes we don't see our own strengths and weaknesses clearly. Ask close friends or colleagues, what do you think my greatest strength is? And what's the one thing I need to improve the most? Building a strategic vision. Imagine your ideal life. The next step is to create a strategic vision, a blueprint for your life. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. What job are you doing? Where are you living? What skills have you developed that you don't have now? What does a typical day in your life look like? Work backward from the future. If you want your dream job, what skills do you need? If you want financial stability, what financial habits should you build? If you want better health, what lifestyle changes do you need to make? This process shifts you from tactical to strategic thinking. You're no longer just thinking about tomorrow. You're designing your long-term future. Part 2. Strategic environment and resources. Have you ever wondered why some people succeed effortlessly? It's not just talent. It's because their environment accelerates their progress. If you constantly struggle, your environment might be holding you back. Your environment is not just a place. It's an ecosystem that shapes your future. Imagine someone learning to play guitar. If they practice alone with a broken guitar, progress will be slow. But if they have a great teacher and a high-quality instrument, they'll master it within months. Your life is the same. If you are surrounded by distractions, a lack of motivation, or people who don't support your growth. No matter how talented you are, you'll be held back. How to design an environment that supports your success. 1. Optimize your physical space. Want to eat healthier? Keep fruits on the table instead of junk food. Want to wake up early? Place your alarm clock far from your bed. Want to save money? Leave your wallet at home and only carry essential cash. 2. Build a social environment that inspires you. Look at the people around you. Do they motivate or drain you? To go far, surround yourself with people who have already achieved what you aspire to. Join classes or groups to stay disciplined and driven. 3. Adjust your digital environment. How much time do you waste on mindless social media scrolling? Cut it down. Instead of watching random funny videos, watch educational content. Use apps to remind you to focus instead of getting lost on your screen. Using resources wisely. Your environment is the foundation, but your resources determine your speed of progress. 1. Manage your time efficiently. Don't just track work hours. Focus on effectiveness. 1 hour of deep focus is more valuable than an entire day of distracted work. Use free time to learn. Listen to podcasts, read books, or watch educational videos instead of aimlessly browsing social media. 2. Invest in long-term skills. Don't just learn skills to solve immediate problems. Develop logical thinking, communication, and financial management, skills that provide lifelong value. 3. Leverage relationships. You don't need to know everything, but you should know who can help you. Build a network of people you can learn from and collaborate with. Conclusion. Your environment and resources are things you can control. You can design them to serve your goals. Don't blame fate. Remember that your destiny is shaped by your choices. Part 3. The power of networking and career strategies. Many people think of networking as just collecting business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. However, true networking is about building genuine relationships that provide long-term value. The importance of meaningful connections. Opportunities often come through relationships. The best job offers, business opportunities, and collaborations usually arise from connections rather than job postings. A strong network provides support. When facing challenges, a solid professional network can offer guidance, advice, and even direct assistance. How to build authentic connections. 1. Be genuinely interested in others. Instead of thinking, how can this person help me? Ask yourself, how can I bring value to them? Listen actively and engage in meaningful conversations rather than just exchanging business cards. 2. Focus on long-term relationships, not just transactions. Many people only reach out when they need something. This is a mistake. The best connections are built through consistent and genuine engagement over time. 3. Be visible in your industry. Share insights and valuable content on social media. Attend industry events, workshops, and online forums to position yourself as a knowledgeable professional. Part 4. Strengthening relationships and career strategies. Connect naturally, not forcefully. Instead of aggressively expanding your network, focus on building relationships organically. Join communities that align with your interests, professional field, or values. Maintaining and nurturing relationships. Express gratitude and stay in touch. Don't only message people when you need help. Regularly check in, share helpful information, or simply send a thank you note. 2. Offer support whenever possible. If someone in your network is facing challenges, help them if you can. A small act of kindness can create long-lasting connections. Career development strategies. Want to build a sustainable and fulfilling career? Think strategically rather than just reacting to opportunities as they arise. 1. Define your long-term goals. What do you want to achieve in the next 5 to 10 years? What skills do you need to develop to reach those goals? 2. Build your personal brand. In today's connected world, personal branding is more important than ever. Demonstrate your value through social media, blogging, sharing insights, or participating in professional forums. 3. Keep learning and improving. The world is constantly changing. If you stop learning, you risk falling behind. Invest in courses, read books, and attend workshops to stay updated with industry trends and enhance your skill set. Conclusion: a successful career isn't a short-term race, but a long-term journey. By developing the right strategies and building strong relationships, you'll achieve sustainable success rather than merely chasing short-term opportunities. Part 5. The power of adaptability and continuous learning. In today's fast-changing world, adaptability is no longer an option. It's a necessity. The ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn determines whether someone thrives or struggles in their career. Why adaptability matters. Industries are evolving rapidly. Many jobs that existed a decade ago are now obsolete, and new roles are emerging constantly. Employers value flexible professionals. Companies prefer employees who can quickly adapt to new technologies, methods, and business models. Personal growth depends on it. Those who embrace change often experience more opportunities and professional fulfillment. How to develop adaptability. 1. Stay open-minded. Be willing to challenge your existing beliefs and explore new perspectives. 2. Embrace technology. Keep up with digital tools and industry advancements to remain competitive. 3. Learn from setbacks. Instead of fearing failure, treat it as an opportunity to improve. Part 6. Investing in yourself for long-term success. Your most valuable asset isn't your job title, employer, or network. It's you. The best investment you can make is in your own growth and development. Ways to invest in yourself. 1. Improve your skills continuously. Take online courses, attend workshops, and read books to expand your expertise. Develop both hard skills, technical knowledge, and soft skills, communication, leadership, problem solving. 2. Prioritize health and well-being. A successful career is meaningless without good physical and mental health. Exercise regularly, maintain a balanced diet, and practice mindfulness to reduce stress. 3. Manage your time effectively. Learn to prioritize tasks and eliminate distractions. A well-structured daily routine leads to greater productivity and balance. Conclusion: success is a system, not a coincidence. Strategic thinking is not a single skill. It's how you organize every aspect of your life to achieve long-term success. Looking back on this journey, analyze yourself to understand your strengths and weaknesses. Create the right environment to make success easier. Manage risks to turn challenges into opportunities. Build relationships to expand your growth potential. Develop financial intelligence to make money work for you. Maintain your health to maximize energy and productivity. I once made the mistake of working hard without a strategy. Everything remained stagnant. My finances were unstable, and my health declined. But when I changed my mindset, everything transformed. I had a clear direction, worked more efficiently, and significantly improved my quality of life. If you don't take action now, a year from today, you'll still be in the same place. The only difference is that you'll regret not starting sooner. Break free from old patterns and start thinking strategically today. You can't control everything, but you can control how you build your future. If you found this video helpful, like to support it. Comment to share your thoughts and feedback. Let's grow together and build a better life.